Hello. Ah, Salem. See, that's what I was talking about. I don't know, it was another reel that I did about him. He's doing this. He's scratching me and biting me. I think he's mad because both of his friends passed away last November, my dogs, but been thinking about going and getting adopting a kitten from the animal shelter. I know, I've been thinking about it, and I'm starting to think that the reason why Salem here has been so moody and biting and trying to scratch is because he misses his friends. So I'm not ready for a dog. I don't know if I'll ever be ready to adopt another dog, but anyway, I think I'm gonna get him a kitten for a friend. That's not Salem, that's the outside cats, the feral cats. One of them's mad. You hear him, Salem? Uh-oh, he's gonna go investigate. There. Oh, it was that one. That was Satin doing that. I named them kinda. Well, I named the feral cats, but they don't stick around long. Feral.